I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful, simple Christmas ornament using something you usually throw away, a deodorant roller ball. First, carefully remove the ball from an empty deodorant bottle. Take a sheet of craft foam or foam paper. Cut a small strip, about 4.5 by 1 centimeter. Now grab a gold thread, add a small dot of hot glue, and roll the strip into a tight tube. This quickly becomes the hanging loop. Glue this little loop right to the top of the ball. It's a strong, clean finish. Time to paint. I'm using acrylics, brown, gold, silver, and pearl colors, but feel free to choose your own palette. Acrylic paint sticks beautifully to the plastic, instantly making it look like a real, high-quality ornament. Let the ball dry completely, and that's it. Our unique Christmas ornament is ready. Simple materials, easy process, stunning result. Don't forget to like and subscribe, try making one yourself, and enjoy a unique handmade decoration for your Christmas tree.